Okay, so I'm going to be doing an easy makeup look for work, and the first thing I'm going to do is use my Makeup Forever mattifying primer to set my face. I already moisturized my face. So I'm going to be using my Revlon Color Stay combination to oily skin, and I'm going to be using one pump on either side of my face, and I'm going to be trying out this sponge from Shakira. I already wet the sponge, and now I'm going to be applying my foundation. Oops. We're having some technical difficulties. Okay, so I abandoned the sponge and I went to my brush because the sponge is a bit too hard for my face. Okay, so I'm going to work that in. If you guys don't know who I am, I'm HairObsess Jay C, and so I'm going to be trying out this concealer, and I'm going to use one small pump on either side of my face and work that in to cover the dark circles under my eye. To set that, I'm going to be using my Black Opal Invisible Blocking Powder. And I'm going to set everything with my Iman Press Powder. So if you guys are still watching, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Okay, so I'm going to be using the NYX blush in pink just to put some more color back into my face.
So as you can see that this video has gone sideways because my mom is like, she's there, she's having this conversation. She could care less if I'm doing my makeup on camera. So I just wanted you guys to know this.
Okay, so I'm just going to be prepping my lip with this random pencil to apply my mattifying lipstick by NYX. I keep my makeup very simple. Hope you guys like it.
So as you can see, I'm a bit completed the look, but my mom has decided now is the time for a conversation. So I'm gonna be back. Pause, I forgot something outside. Don't leave me.
Okay, so I'm just gonna set everything with my NYX mattifying spray just to get rid of the powdery look. So now I'm just going to add some water to lay my edges. It's distilled water. And so now when I'm finished with that, I'm just going to spritz some more water over my hair, and I'm going to tie that down. That's about it.
So let's just take this off and see what it looks like. And that's basically what I do. So I'm just gonna fix this section. And I'm off to work. So I hope this video was useful. If it was, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel down below. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Hashtag HairObsessclub. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.